I created a lot of shit that niggas take credit for.
Yo, young boy, what's
but
your
I'm
name,
content
bro?
with that.
How you say your name, young Lucy?
Drive the Rolls Royce real fast with a big bang.
Bow, pull up and hop at the pull up and hop at the car. That's the end of the job. The ops told me we be going too hard, be shooting too much, going too far.
Man, how you feel about my car? You like it or? Honda. Yeah. Cause I picked him up in my car for my cars, but every from my Audi, he's like, take the Audi, take the Audi, take the Audi. Let's take the Audi. I'm drive this though, you know what I mean? Hey, so, you know, you ain't gotta always be sporty, you know. I was trying to teach him, like, you ain't always gotta show out. But he loves my new car, so, you know, I'm gonna make sure that I
want to play tag.
Play tag where?
Right here.
I want to play tag right here? Okay, that's cool. We'll play tag. I got my little man with me right here. And he wants to race me, as usual. He always wants to race.
I'm not saying race, I'm saying let's play tag.
He want to play tag. But I told him it's not good to play tag because I know that I'm going to win.
No,
So it's kind of pointless to play tag if you know I'm going to burn him.
No, you're not.
He said, no, I'm not.
I know a million miles faster.
He said he runs a million miles faster than me. I don't think so.
Ready?
Am I ready? Are you ready?
Huh?
You tell me. You let me know. Ready, set, what?
Ready, set, go.
How you going to say ready, set, go and you ain't going nowhere?
Easy.
Easy. I'm finna get you, though. You ain't going nowhere. Look at him. I'm right here next to him. Got him.
I love it.
He missed me. He touched me. I cheated.
Yep.
I know I just cheated him. He did touch me. He got me like right there.
I do it. Tag me.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just kidding.
I'm so tired, guys. I'm just kidding. I ain't that tired. But it's up there. I'm up there. I'm getting tired. He had too much energy. Shit. Hey, slow down. Bro is taking off.